I'll do the sound check thing on my side. Probably you're gonna do it too. Twitch, iOS app. Hello, hello.
Hey, hey, hey. I sound good.
Yeah, cool. I think we're all good to go.
Let's go.
Oh, I see what you did there.
It's so wrong, but I have to say it every time. It's
Yeah.
awesome.
All right. Advent of code. Let's do this. Let's do this for an hour. We're on number 6. Only what, 20 or 19 to go.
We did a whole one last time.
Yeah.
We can
Okay.
do it. We can
We
do it.
can. All
Are
right.
you standing right now?
I'm standing right now.
That's
How do I
awesome.
look?
You look fabulous. I actually need to practice doing the ups and downs for streaming because I feel like
Yeah.
it's more active energy.
Yeah, I
So
haven't stood in a long time on this desk, streaming or otherwise, so I figured let's get some blood flow in the old legs and knees and everything else in the leg area because I have some really sore legs from the weekend, so I wanted to get some fitness.
So, tangents.
Mm-hmm.
Google has this great program if you're in the Bay Area and you work for Google, of course,
Mm-hmm.
uh, where they will bring you a bike. So I was biking with Frankie this weekend, and he's all like, "Hi, mommy! I didn't know you could bike." And I'm all like, "Oh dear."
They'll bring you a
So
bike. That's kind of cool.
yeah,
Damn.
yeah, yeah.
Cool
It's
perk.
awesome.
Yeah.
So I was biking. That was
Nice.
awesome.
Nice. All right. Let's
But now
get
we're
into it.
flying.
Now we're what?
Now we're flying. Custom
Oh, yeah.
customs.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to read it. Day 6. Custom customs. Hold on a second. I need to open the window.
As your flight approaches the regional airport where you'll switch to a much larger plane,
It is
customs.
brutally hot in here. Oh, I'm sorry. I interrupted. Go
It's
for it.
really cool. I'm sorry, I was just like reading ahead. Sounds like hot is not awesome there. Even though that's where we're escaping the snow. Customs declaration forms are distributed to the passengers. The form asks a series of 26, that sounds like alphabets,
Mm-hmm.
yes or no questions marked A through Z or A through Z. All you need to do is identify the questions for which anyone in your group answers yes.
Mm.
Since your group is just you, this doesn't take very long. However, the person sitting next to you, you're
Oh,
scrolling down,
sorry.
I can't see,
Yeah,
uh,
right there.
seems to be experiencing a language barrier and asks if you can help. For each of the people in their group, you write down the questions for which they answer yes, one per line. For example, ABCX. So person one says ABCX.
Okay, yeah.
In this group, there are 6 questions to which anyone answers yes, A, B, C, X, Y, and Z. Duplicate answers to the same questions don't count extra. Each question counts at most once.
Okay.
Another group asks for your help, then another, and eventually you've collected answers from every group on the plane, which is your puzzle input. Each group's answers are separated by a blank line, and within each group, each person's answers are on a single line.
Okay. So this is probably me or the single person. This is a group of
Three,
3.
and a
Okay.
group of two, and a
4.
group of four.
Okay. Oh yeah, they actually say
For
it. Okay.
Well, no, it's good because now we can verify our assumptions.
Yeah.
This list represents answers from 5 groups. The first group contains one person who answered yes to 3 questions, A, B, and C. The second group contains 3 people. Combined, they answer yes to 3 questions.
Mm-hmm. Two
Okay.
people.
Yeah, so let's skip down to the side. In this example, the sum of these counts is 3
Hmm.
plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1. Wait, what? 3 plus
So this
3.
is three unique answers, three unique answers, three unique A, B, and C, one unique, and one unique.
Okay.
So
So
yeah,
for
three, three, three,
each
one, one. Yeah.
for each group, count the number of questions to which anyone answered yes. What is the sum of those counts? So basically, we
Mm,
have to group people and then unique them.
yeah. All right. Let's get well. Let's get this first, and we'll do the ye old foldering. Folder day 6, part 1 and part 2. And we have what? Test underscore input dot txt. We'll paste it in there. And then input dot txt. We'll get that thingy. Okay. And let's make a main dot go. And we have our main. I'm going to copy this because we have all that parsing code. That's basically everything.
Yeah, the beginning stuff.
Yeah. All right.
We'll just have to clean up the seat spec lines or whatever.
Right.
Or is it?
Answer lines. Answer lines. So let's get rid of all this stuff. This is not related to our thing. And
From the
save
max
this.
seat ID.
Oh, right. Yeah. So
I think you should save this right here as a template.
Okay.
For future days.
All right. So I think we've got to do the grouping for each, like grouping, the answer grouping for each group, I think.
Yeah.
So.
A group is separated by a new line.
Excuse me. Yeah. So let's see. I think let's keep track. Oh, you know what? I think we can do the counts and the grouping at the same time. So we can say if answer line is empty, then the group's answers are complete. Count them up and reset the answer counter. So then the answer counter, I think, can be a map of character. Oh, that's actually a rune. And then an empty struct, because it can be like a set, so we don't have to double count characters.
So anyone joining us in the chat, this is definitely a collaboration. So please do chime in if you have any thoughts and feels about what we're working on. No questions are too out of scope.
True. Very
We
true.
like tangents.
Tangents, ideas, whatever you want. Chime in. The Go Live announcement does say AMA in chat for a reason. So AMA. AMA and AJA. Ask Jennifer anything also. Or at
Ask you, ask us.
A.
AUA.
Can we do ABBA like ABBA? Ask both something. Anything. I don't know. Ask both of us or either of us anything. So, I am thinking this. We can do for answer char range answer line. I think I'm going to move this stuff up. So in the common case where there's no, where it's a real line, not just a blank new line, I'm thinking let's go through the line, that individual line of answers, and then add, not add, but set that answer character in this. This is basically a set type. They don't have sets in Go, but.
Can you do like a little comment at the begin, like in front of the answer counter? And is there a way to sort of illustrate what this would look like, what this looks like?
Yeah.
Maybe we need a,
I think I can
drawing.
I think I can do it in ASCII. Let me try it and then you tell me what's
Okay,
up.
cool.
Okay. This is a set type of characters for a group. We don't double count characters, so we just want to know if the group answered that answered something at least once. Here's an example. So I'm going to do this for the set. A, B, F, Z. Is that decent? What are your thoughts?
Yeah, this looks good. My brain is totally thinking in logic stuff, and that's totally not the right place here. Like thinking about if each, so we only have 26 characters, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if there was a way to do like like it's like logic arithmetic or something, like if each character, like, and you just like, then you don't have to store any of the answers, and you just have to translate it at the end. So each group would have a number, right? But at any rate, it's fine.
We can do it
This
with
is the right way. No, I like, my brain is just like,
I get that. We could do it with a bitmap. I think that would make it a little more complex, but might be fun. Maybe.
Let's go this way. Let's
Okay.
see what happens.
Okay. Bitmap would be cool. Okay. No, I'm okay. So
Sorry.
no, it's fine. We should probably name this like answer set, I guess, because it's not really a counter now. Answer char equals empty struct, not with a P. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here is where we add the character to the set. This is effectively a no-op if the group, if someone in the group has already answered this question. Okay. So go through all the answers on this line and record them in the answer set. So here is where we go through a person in the group. Here is where the group is done with their answers, and we have to go and add everything up. So how do we add everything up? Have a counter. Let's call this answer char equals range, answer set. Actually, honestly, we just need to go through the answer set because everything in that set is an answer that the group answered yes to.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I think we can do this. Len answer set. Because basically this answer set will be the length of the answer
numbers.
set. Yeah, exactly. So do we want to get the total sum of the counts?
Sum of all the groups.
Okay, so answer sum equals 0, and now we can do answer sum plus equals that. Okay. So running it against test input.
Should give us 11.
Okay. Here we go. Nope, that's the caps lock. Go run. Ooh. Wrong.
Let's step through this and see where
Yeah. Here we go. Let's do that. And then can we run this thing, or have I broken all the things? This?
Can anyone watching guess where our error in logic is?
Please.
Why? Why are we getting 15 instead of 11?
Oh, I wonder if it's no.
Is it you? Maybe.
This? I don't think
A B A C.
A B A C. So we
That might not be all of it, but is it parsing each of those separately?
It should be going A, adding A to the set, adding B to the set, re-adding A to the set. So that would be this line 8, column 1 should be a no-op. Should be a no-op basically, and then C should be adding the third.
Well, no, A, B totally should be an operation. It should be, so in the first iteration for the group, it should be A, B, and C, so it's 3.
Yeah.
And then the second iteration, it's A, and then B, and then C, so there's 3.
Mm-hmm.
And then the next one, it should be A, and then B, and then A is an OOP, C.
Mm-hmm. So
3, 3, 3.
Yeah.
And then A, all of these A's are all 1s.
Oh, hold on. I know, now that you're going through this, I think I know what we did.
What do we do?
We didn't reset it. We didn't reset answer set.
Got it. Let's do it.
Struct. Okay. Let's try it now. There
Yay!
we go.
Okay, let's use the real data.
The real deal. Okay.
Do.
Let's try it. 6506. Here we go. Drum roll, please. Okay. Hey, we have a gold star. All right.
The feelings when we get our gold star.
Yes. Okay. Part 2. Are you up for reading it, or do you want me to go?
I'll do it.
Okay.
You made you read last time.
You're up. Go for it.
As you finish the last group's customs declaration, you notice that you misread one word in the instructions. Oh no. You
Oh.
don't need to identify the questions to which anyone answered yes. You need to identify the questions to which everyone answered yes. Using the same example as above. So this is the group. So let's just, without reading it first, let's see. So ABC, that would be ABC is 3.
Mm-hmm.
And the next one would be 0
Mm-hmm.
because there's no commonality.
Mm-hmm.
The third one, A is the commonality, so 1. And then all of them are A, so that's 1. And then there's just B, so 1. So 3 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1.
So 3, 0,
0,
1,
1, 1,
1.
1.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep.
So that matches up.
Okay.
In this example, the sum of these counts is exactly what we said. So 6. For each group, count the number of questions to which everyone answered yes. What is the sum of those counts?
Okay.
Okay, so how do we modify? This totally is like, it's like an exclusive. Is it exclusive and, or I don't know.
I think it is.
What is the better data structure here? I feel like there's some kind of data structure here that's like, this is like become data structures in Go with like with the advent of code.
So I think it's just and, because let me go back to here. This one would be like, this is a terrible example. This one would be like A is 1. So if you have like a take like a spreadsheet with columns. So the A column would be in row 1, but so you'd have a 1 in row 1. You'd have in row 2 a 1 for B, and row 3 a 1 for C. So if you go column by column, it would be for A, the first column, 1 and 0 and 0. So that's 0. And then for the B, the second column for B, it would be 0 and 1 and 0, again 0. And then for C, 0 and 0 and 1. So 0 again. And I think we can represent that with the same deal here, except with an int. Oh, are we on? Let me go back to the right thing. With an int. And then at the end of a group, we can check if this int is the same as the total number of people in that group.
Haha. Sounds good.
So before I move on,
change up this answer set thing.
Yeah. Well, before I move on, oh yeah, you're right. And then I want to change the comments.
Oh well, I meant change the comments for the answer set. That's what I was.
Okay. So this is a list of, or this is a grouping of the answers for the group of people. For each answer, which is a key in the map, there is a counter that represents the number of people in the group that answered yes for that. If the counter is equal to the number of people in the group, that means that everyone in the group answered yes for it. Here is an example for a group of 4 people that let's do for a group of 2 people that did this. So then that would be A is going to end up being 2, and B is going to be 1, and C is going to be 1.
Awesome.
In this example, both people answered yes for A, and one of them answered yes for B, and the other person answered yes for C. Okay. So we're going to go through there. We want now to keep track of number of people in group, because we need to see if the value of this thing is equal to the total number of people in the group. So we can go here, num people in group plus plus. We're gonna have to go and fix that, so we can go for the number of people that answered that question, range answer set
Answers.
Oh, I did that wrong. Answerers, is that a real thing? I don't know. So if num answerers equals num people in group, then answer sum plus plus.
An answerer is a word. An answerer.
Answerer. So answerer, is it WER, WER?
No, you got it right.
Yes.
Answerer.
I made that up in my mind, but hey. So we don't need this. So we go through, we figure out if the num answerers in this group is equal to the total number of people in the group. If it is, then we can increment our total sum, and then we have to reset. And if we're not at the end of a group, then we increment the number of people in the group that we've seen, and we go plus plus for that answer. So here's where we increment the character in the set to indicate that one more person in the group answered yes for it. Okay, let's try it. So we are expecting 6, right? 6.
Correct.
Okay, let's do it. Nope. 0. Okay.
Oh, joy.
I wonder if it's because of this. Let's do some logging here. Yeah. Answer char. Oh, I think it's that. So now if answer line log end of group answerers for that answer, num answerers. Okay. Let's try that. Found another person. End of
Wait,
group.
what for 9-9? Oh, you know what? It needs to be not a digit.
Yeah, I think I can do that. S string. And let's go down here as well. Oh, yeah, it's using the character codes, huh? End of group. Num answers for C. That's what we expect of the first one. This person answered yes. This person answered ABC, ABC. Oh. We should record the total number of people in the group. End of group of 0 people. We keep thinking there are 0 people in each group. That's an issue. Oh, look at this. We reset the number of people in the group.
In each time. Okay.
Yeah. So let's put this
Yeah.
outside and then reset at the end of the group, of each group. Hey, there we go.
6.
All right. Well, let's try the real deal.
It's going to be interesting with all the print statements.
Yeah. But we just need to look at the very bottom line.
Yeah.
And yeah. Okay. 3243. That's good because it's less than the previous part 1. Here we go. Hey! We did it. Okay. Okay. Do we dare move on to number 7?
I see commit your code, and then because I'm not sure if you pushed it up to the repo last week. Oh, I guess you did.
Yeah. I've been pushing at the end of each stream. But yeah, so part 6 is up there now. Let me just double check that. Oh, I have it open. There it is.
Woohoo!
Yeah, I think we might be able to get through maybe part 1
Let's do it.
of day 7. Let me set up the whole deal. Day 7. Day 7. Part 1. Copy. Main template.go. Day 7. Part 1. Party 1. Main.go. Okay. All right. I'm going to read this one. Cool?
Sounds good.
All right. You land at the regional airport in time for your next flight. In fact, it looks like you even have time to grab some food. All flights are currently delayed due to issues in luggage processing. Due to recent aviation regulations, many rules, which is your puzzle input, are being enforced about bags and their contents. Bags must be color-coded and must contain specific quantities of other color-coded bags. Apparently, nobody responsible for these regulations considered how long they would take to enforce. That sounds about right. For example, consider the following rules. Light red bags contain 1 bright white bag and 2 muted yellow bags. Dark orange bags contain 3 bright white bags, 4 muted yellow bags, and so on. I like this one. Dotted black bags contain no other bags. Okay. These rules specify the required contents for 9 bag types. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. In this example, every faded blue bag is empty. Okay, right there.
Oh, but did you notice it's like light red bags contain one bright white bag. A bright white bag contains one shiny gold bag. A shiny gold bag contains one dark olive bag and two vibrant plum bags. And then a dark olive bag. So like this is like a this is a recursion.
Oh, you're. Oh no. Oh no. We're gonna blow up my computer. Oh, okay. Okay. The rules specified 9 bag types. In this example, every faded blue bag is empty. Every vibrant plum bag contains 11 bags. Where's vibrant plum? 5 faded blue and 6 dotted. Okay. And so on. You have a shiny gold bag. This. If you wanted to carry it in at least one other bag. Oh, combinatorials. If you wanted to carry it in at least one other bag, how many different bag colors would be valid for the outermost bag? In other words, how many colors can eventually contain at least one shiny gold bag? In the above rules, the following options would be available to you. So you got a shiny gold bag. A bright white bag which can hold your shiny gold bag directly. A muted yellow bag which can hold your shiny gold bag directly plus some other bags. A dark orange which can hold your bright white and muted yellow bags, either of which could then hold your shiny gold bag. A light red bag which can hold your bright white and muted yellow bags, either of which could then hold your shiny yellow bag. So in this example, the number of bag colors that can eventually contain at least one shiny gold bag is 4. How many bag colors can eventually contain at least one shiny gold bag? The list of rules is quite long. Make sure you get all of it. So I think this is a graph problem. I think
Okay.
if we make a graph from shiny gold to all the things that can contain a shiny gold, and then from each of those things to the things that can contain it, and so forth, we can get to the end of the graph for each arrow, each journey, whatever you want to call it. And at the end, each time we get to the end, I think that's when we increment the number of bag colors. I think.
I think so as well. Let's see.
Yeah.
We'll start with our test case. So how do we
So did they?
parse a line? Let's start with that. Like
Okay.
if we start with these rules, how do we parse a line?
Yeah. Oh, hey, Zanus is here. What's up, Zanus? It's been a long time. That's my bad. How do we parse a line? Indeed. I think we're just gonna have straight up input this time because there's no test. Is there a test?
Well, we've got the sample. So like this is the sample rules. So this is the test. So you have a shiny gold bag.
Oh,
Then
I gotcha.
the answer is 4.
So
The real rules are much longer.
great. So, oh, we have to parse this. Great. This one seems like, remember the exorcism where it was like we were doing a bunch of easy things and then all of a sudden there was one. It was like, I think it was related to piano or music or something. And it was all of a sudden just boom, like this one's impossible. Enjoy. Do you remember that?
Yep.
This feels
I
like that.
feel like in part 2 we have to care about the numbers, but right now all we have to care about is the first color, and then oh my gosh, but it's not just first color. There's an adjective, a color.
It seems like this is the whole, like we need to care about this. Skip.
It's never just a color, right? It's always an adjective and then color, right? So adjective, color, and then contain, and then adjective, color, adjective, color, adjective, color.
So, okay, adjective, color, and then
Color,
bags.
bags.
Uh,
So,
So we can
and then,
ignore. I think we can ignore bags and contain.
well, no, no, no. Contain is the signal that it's like the first part is the like I in terms of the container. So dull blue, and then inside of dull blue is dotted green, dull brown,
Hmm.
striped tomato, muted blue. And so in order to parse it, it's kind of like adjective, color, bags, contain, number, adjective, like, and then parsing it is just like each set is going to be like after the contain is number,
Uh huh.
adjective, color, bags, comma. And so we're gonna like for each line, we're gonna be looking for we're gonna save dull blue
Yeah.
and we're gonna ignore bags. We're gonna at the contain place, then we're gonna start parsing number, adjective, color, and that's like a one thing, and then bags and look for commas.
So let's build like a tokenized. It's kind of like adjective, like you said, color, and then bags. Not a comma. Contain, number, adjective, color, bags, and then
Optional
I
comma.
yeah
Yeah.
I
And
shouldn't
then
I shouldn't do this. Adjective, color, bags, contain, number, adjective, color, and then bags, and then we've got our comma.
potentially more of those
Yeah,
things.
color, bag, possibly an S, and then dot dot. We'll just do dot dot dot. That. That's like a fraction of the problem we have to solve.
And it's kind of like we want to make sure that we don't go into any loops.
Hmm.
So there's kind of like loop detection because otherwise this will blow up your computer.
Yeah.
I feel like we're gonna run out of time here.
Yeah, yeah. So let's do this. I'm gonna translate this to a comma. Um, and then we don't know what we're gonna return.
it, yeah, it's kind of like given a bag, we want to go reverse. So we want to parse everything and then given a so we want to find everything at the like when I was doing this whatever we want to call the container the container, the adjective colored bags that's in front of the contain. We want
Yeah,
to find every one of those that can potentially contain our bag.
right. So yeah, we
So
have
containy map containies back to containers.
yeah. How about contained? Map the contained bag to all of its potential container bags.
Awesome.
All right. Hey. Oh,
And detect any loops.
yeah.
I did move my office around. I've been testing out different areas of like how to arrange my office. So I haven't finished sorting out artwork or anything in the background.
It looks good. I like the way it looks, at least.
I like it too. I've got the like before the light was coming in front of me, and now it's coming to the side. So we'll see.
Nice.
Um,
So I think, yeah, we have
so
to.
do we want to continue? Do we want to stream next week? It's a holiday.
How about we stream Tuesday next week? Think you can do that?
Tuesday next week. I will have to check.
Okay.
I don't have
We'll
my calendar in front of me.
let's try to stream next week sometime.
Sounds good.
Maybe either Tuesday or Wednesday.
We'll see.
Okay,
I
sometime
don't
next
have
week.
my calendar in front
Yeah.
of me. I don't want to be like, oh, tippity tappity on the work computer. But yay.
Yay! We got through Xenus. We're doing Advent of Code 2020 because we're trying to be controversial, keeping the dream alive of 2020, which of course everyone wants to do.
No, we're keeping Christmas alive.
That's yeah. We're keeping the Advent alive. What are we on? We're currently working on day 7. Yeah, 20. Everyone wants to extend 2020. Yeah, into 2021. We're taking one of the few good parts of 2020 and bringing it into 2021. Yeah, day 7. So our goal that Jennifer, we talked about this last week, right? We want to finish this by the end of November 2020, so we can do Advent
so we can
20.
be in the competition for
Yeah.
2021.
Yeah.
Be ready to go.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is like no, not director's cut. This is like an alternate ending. In 2020. Oh. All right, let's do something this week that I forgot to do last week. Let's raid someone. Sci and Tech. Oh, they don't. Oh, this is the mobile.
There's a kid in Cam. Oh.
I will have to save that.
It's a Los Angeles foster kittens live kittens. Oh.
That's amazing. It's in the chat for all. Programming. That's under science and tech too. That's funny. I like Anthony writes code. I'm leaning towards Anthony likes code. I like CM Griffin too.
Let's find some different peoples.
Who else we got?
Are there any different peoples? Different peoples? English maybe?
There's a learn computer science with a cat teaching it. I like that.
Yeah, like I think that looks good. Live computer science class with the cat.
What is even happening? Oh, it looks like it's just streaming like this splash
yeah.
page.
No. Not too exciting.
Yeah. Amazon scraper. Da-da-da. That's it. No more.
Let's go with your original one. Sounds good.
Anthony writes code.
Yep, sounds good.
All right. Go check Anthony out. He's a big Python dude. He's a good person. And this is an awesome stream too. Game dev. I have no idea what she's doing though. That's my problem.
We can peek in.
Okay.
Can't you just peek in?
Oh, great. let's raid her. I haven't done that in a
because
while.
look, you became a Disney princess. That sounds awesome to me.
What? Let's raid Lana. All right, y'all. We'll be back next week sometime. Not sure yet.
Not same
Uh,
time, same channel, but the next week
yeah.
we're definitely on a roll.
Next week, same channel, not same time. I will try to do some Kada, Kubernetes Kada stuff the end of this week, but we have a release coming today. So depending on how that goes, we will try. I will try.
Aren't you streaming on Wednesday
Oh,
with contributor?
no. Yeah, I'm not. Oh, I guess it is a stream. Kinda. Contributing.today. Check it
Yeah,
out.
me too.
We are. Are we on the same? No, you're on your own thing.
I don't
11:50
no.
Pacific.
Yeah, but I don't understand. It's very interesting. I thought I saw something that said you and me are on at the same time.
I did too, but apparently it's
It's
me
very
and Carmen
confusing.
doing a panel, and
Oh,
then you're after doing your own Porter overview.
for like 10 minutes or something. I don't know.
No, I think so. This one is 11:05 to 11:50, so 45 minutes. So you're probably doing another 45 minutes. That's my guess.
Oh, interesting. That's not what they asked me to do. So
Oh,
we'll see.
it just did the raid.
We'll figure it out.
We're over. We're cut off.
I gotta go talk to.
Okay.
I gotta go talk to my peeps.
All right, late skis.
care.
Talk to you soon. Bye.